Welcome to the first video of the tutorial series for Avian. This video will be all about the onboarding experience to Avian as an online software. For those who are not familiar with the software, Avian is an online software for TMCs, OTAs, and consolidators, allowing you to track and manage all of your incentive agreements in real time. It doesn't really matter if it's an upfront or backend incentive agreements, it all can be measured right here. So the onboarding experience is very simple and divided into 3 steps. First step is all about the legal part. We are signing a mutual NDA with any party that is joining our software just to get you the feeling that you can be comfortably sharing your information with Avian. We're not sharing any of your information with any third party, and it's a very, very important step. Step number 2 is all about the analysis of the actual contracts. In this step, you'll be able to just upload very easily all of your incentive agreements into the system. Doesn't really matter which carrier, which type of file, can be PDF, docx, PPTX, whatever. It's all being analyzed within Avian using a very smart algorithm we've been working at. The process that is being the analysis process of the contracts is pretty straightforward. We're scraping out all of your terms and conditions of the contracts. We're getting them into a specific distributed database, and we allow the contracts to be analyzed over the system so we can match them with your sales data performance. Now, this is the actual third step. And in order to actually show you how far you are from each one of the targets that you have, how much commission you're making on each one of the carriers you're working with, and etc., we have to connect to either your settlement provider, which is BSP or ARC, or we'll be connecting to your GDSs. Once that happens, we match between the sales performance data and the terms and conditions of the contracts to show you one place where you can see all of your incentive agreements and how far you are from each one of the targets and the ROI and etc., in order to give you absolute transparency over the commissions and incentives you're making on each one of the carriers you're working with. But about that in the next video of the overview of the system in our tutorial session.